Hello everyone, hope so you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to another new video. In this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi problem in Honor X5D. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.